Hi everyone, welcome back to another recipe. Today's recipe requires 250 grams of firm tofu, 1 vegan chicken stock cube that's gluten-free, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 3 garlic cloves chopped finely, and 2.5 tablespoons of maple syrup. You start off by mixing the marinade ingredients together. Cut the tofu into rectangular pieces, about the thickness that you would have a chicken nugget. Coat the tofu in the marinade ingredients. Mix well. Cover and then refrigerate overnight. The next day, place the nuggets onto a baking tray. And then top off with the additional sesame seeds. These pair really well with baked wedges. Place them into an oven for 25 minutes on 180 degrees. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.